Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Conning, Fortune County, which is located near Budigere Cross in Extension Whitefield, East Bangalore. And this project is developed by Conning Homes. And today we'll be doing the project overview in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So as you can check out, we are here on the actual land parcel and this is the main entrance of the project. And from here, the land parcel starts. And over this side, you'll be getting the model villa with the marketing office as well. Now, let me introduce you with Housey. So, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number will get shared with multiple brokers which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because now Housey is here who connects you directly with builders because in Housey the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview and this project will be constructed on total 10 acres of land parcel consisting of 146 villas, and here in this project you'll be getting all 4 BHK villas in different variant. Plus all the villas will be having 2 terraces, backyard and 2 car parkings. Now coming to the location part, and this project is located near Budigere Cross in Extension Whitefield, East Bangalore. And now let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So basically this is the main road and this is the Raghuvanahali Hoskote road. So basically this road over the side will take you towards Budigere Cross and the opposite side road that is just from behind me. You can connect towards Hoskote. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Old Madras Road in just 5 to 10 minutes from the project. Orion Uptown Mall is 10 minutes away from the project. Silver Oak School is 10 minutes away. And Satya Sai Multi-Specialist Hospital is 25 minutes away from the location of the project. Now coming to the amenities part, and this project provides you world-class amenities like of 2 clubhouses, 2 cricket pitch, pickleball court, amphitheater, kids play area, garden area, office and many more amenities. Now about the super built up area, and as mentioned this project provides you all 4 BHK villas with starting from 2600 square feet to 4400 square feet super built up area. Now coming to the booking process, and the project booking window is open now. If you are interested, then you can visit our site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme and will show you the model villa as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was a project overview of Conning, Fortune County, which is located near Budigere Cross in Extension Whitefield in East Bangalore, and this project is developed by Conning Homes.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.